Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Marvel Rivals is not available on Xbox One. Unfortunately, this exciting hero shooter, featuring many Marvel characters, was released exclusively for newer platforms. You can find Marvel Rivals on PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X or S, where it is available as a free-to-play title. This means Xbox One users cannot directly download or play the game on their console. The primary reason Marvel Rivals isn't on Xbox One is due to technical limitations. The game utilizes advanced graphics and dynamic destruction systems, powered by Unreal Engine 5, which require more powerful hardware. Older consoles like the Xbox One simply cannot provide the performance needed for the intended gameplay experience. Developers focused on optimizing for current generation systems and PC. If you're eager to join the action, you have a few options. The most direct way is to upgrade to an Xbox Series X or S console, where the game is fully supported. Alternatively, if you have a capable gaming PC, you can download and play Marvel Rivals through platforms like Steam or the Epic Games Store. PlayStation 5 is also a supported console for this title. For those playing on supported platforms, Marvel Rivals offers robust crossplay functionality. This means players on PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X or S can team up in casual game modes. Additionally, the game features cross-progression, allowing you to link your accounts and share your character progress across different devices. This ensures your hard-earned unlocks and levels carry over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.